another great Celtic tune. This one is called The Old Grey Cat, and it's of Scottish descent, with printings as old as the 1880s, but the Scottish printing in 1880 refers to it as an Irish tune. So anyway, it's a Celtic tune, and it's one that gets played at quite a few sessions around. It also gets played some by the old time and the bluegrass crowd, so it's a good kind of universal jam tune. Called The Old Grey Cat, and it's in E minor. 1, 2, ready, go. There you have it, The Old Grey Cat. And that works well also as a hoedown in a contest or to play for a contra dance. It's a really fun tune, and it was sponsored by the Celtic Cowboy in Great Falls, where they have an Irish session every Thursday night from 6 to 9. We also have a bluegrass and old time session every Sunday there from 6 to 9. So 2 jams a week at the Celtic Cowboy. They have live music 6 nights a week. Be sure and help them out and help us out by continuing their sponsorship. Thanks.